Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl and Kama Kawaida. We praise Jesus for gifting us life today. We don't take it for granted. And if you're new here, karibu sana to Almaks, Kenya. Because here we entertain and as well educate. So make sure to hit that subscribe button to support my content. I know guys, it's been quite a long time before you saw me on your screen, but guess what? I am back with a bang. Yes, guys, so today's video is about glamming yourself, especially your face. So I'm gonna be taking you through on how to do a facial scrub right at your home. Yes, at your comfort, and I'm gonna be tagging you with the kind of scrub that I use and the price range. So stick around and let's do this. So guys, as you can see, I have a towel here so that to avoid dirtifying my clothes. Yeah, so I'm going to get to it, and I'll be covering my hair with this scarf over here to avoid dirtifying also my hair. So I cover my hair. Bora nywele iko covered, don't worry about it, the style. To just protect my hair. Yeah, I think I'm good. Huko kwingine ina shida. So we start. Here is my scrub, guys. This is what I used, La Femme Natural. It has quite a variety of nini. This is apricot. I don't know if you can see it. I might be upside down, I don't know. But in it apricot. Let me show you well. Apricot. Yeah, La Femme. And it's for face and body. You can scrub your face with it and also scrub your body with it. And it actually has a very, very, very nice scent. Very nice, depending on the kind of variety that you're going to choose. There's lemon, there's so much to choose from. But for me, I use the apricot. I love its smell. It really smells so nice, and then not too rough on my skin. Yeah, so you choose something that also won't damage your skin, but protect and make your skin look fabulous. Okay, yeah, so let's get direct to scrubbing. And you're going to just take a portion of it, spread it on your face. You can also do it to your neck, but today I'll just show you around the face. So make sure it doesn't get to your eye, so be very careful. You apply that one to your nose, especially this side has a lot of oil, so make sure you apply it well. You apply before you start scrubbing. Just a fair amount, not too much, not too little. And then you scrub gently, okay? You just scrub gently until it dries off. But it's so smooth. The particles are not hard on my skin. They're very smooth. If you've ever used La Femme, kindly tell us what was the experience, how was the end results, and how did you feel while doing the scrubbing. You scrub with your fingertips, okay? Not the whole hand. Be patient. Every successful thing needs patience, okay? Be patient as you scrub. Make sure it doesn't get into contact with the eyes. As you can see, it's drying off. You do it in a circular motion. As you can see, there's this dart. I don't know if you can see coming off. You see? Amazing. Until it really dries off. You get rid of every dart. There are these particles that come out. Those are the dirty stuffs, you know. You even feel your pores because they're opening, you know. You feel so good. And then we are going to be rinsing it off with warm water. Make sure it's clean water, no soap, just plain warm water, okay? So I'll show you when I'll be rinsing it off. I'll show you how to rinse it off and show you the end product, how it feels. So we are going to be this warm water. As you can see, I have a face towel here, so you just rinse it off. Just dab with this, don't start scrubbing. So you just dab your hair. don't scrub. Even when you're wiping your face, just grab with a towel, something. So guys, as you can see, this how it, wow, it feels so nice, like so nice. Wow. As you can see, it's so smooth. You feel your skin so smooth. You just scrub like twice or thrice at most in a week. Don't scrub every day. Remember, your skin is very sensitive. Your face skin is very sensitive, so don't scrub every day. Just twice or thrice in a week and you're going to be good. So the next step, you moisturize. Use any, I don't know what kind of moisturizer you use on your face, so whatever the moisturizer, go moisturize immediately. Remember, you don't leave your face dry. Make sure it's always moisturized. Okay, so that has been it, guys. I hope you've learned something. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It really supports my video. Don't forget to leave a comment. Let's interact. Tell me if you've learned something. Let's share. Tell me what you'd like me to do next time. Yes, and I think that will be all for today. We wrap the video there. Until next time, bye bye.